global leader of electric heat tracing system for marine, upstream, and downstream industries. E-TEC. E-TEC has been leading the industry with its rich experience and excellent technology. E-TEC provides turnkey electric heat tracing system, including engineering design, manufacture, installation, commissioning, and supervision. EnAi system, the enhanced anti-icing system, is essential for the ships and offshore facilities which operate in the Arctic or extremely harsh environment. The walkway of the ship sailing through the Northern Sea route can be frozen due to snow, rain, sea spray, and wind, and this can directly endanger crew safety. E-TEC's EnAi pad, so-called heated walkway, can be applied to the walkway, escape route, and working area on the exposed deck. EnAi pad utilizes self-regulating heating cable, so the system can properly perform anti-icing and de-icing according to environmental requirements. Stair-step and handrail of ships can also be affected by ice, which will cause safety accidents. E-TEC's EnAi step and EnAi railing prevent the steps and handrail from icing. The aluminum jacket type of EnAi railing has high thermal efficiency, and it is optimized to be used in the extremely harsh weather below -30 degrees Celsius. When doors are not operating due to icing during the emergency situation, crews' lives will be in danger. E-TEC's EnAi system can be applied to all types of doors, and the system provides safe passage for the crew. In the emergency situation, if the helicopter is unable to take off or land due to icing on helideck, the escape and rescue operation of the crew can be delayed. E-TEC provides heating systems to helideck, pancake, and access areas, helping helicopter operate without problems. The machinery and equipment installed on the exposed deck must be protected from freezing. EnAi cover, developed and designed by E-TEC, protects the machinery and equipment at the minimum temperature of -62 degrees Celsius. The cover can be quickly detached for operation and maintenance. E-TEC has the most project references of electric heat tracing system in marine and offshore industries in the world, and will keep its position as a global leader through continuous research and development. E-TEC.